Red wine production is more complex than white wine production. The red pigments lie in the berry skins. The goal is to release these pigments from the skins. If you press red wine grapes immediately, few pigments are transferred into the wine. The result is a rosé wine or a Blanc de Noir. The grapes are separated from their stems. This is very important so that we don't have any unripe aromas, flavors or tannins from the stems in the wine. After stemming, the grapes are crushed so that the juice is set free. We call this mixture of berries and juice mash. There are basically two ways to extract the color from red wine grapes: must heating and fermentation on the skins. The thermal method heats the mash to 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and after 3 minutes cools down to 40 degrees Celsius or 104 Fahrenheit. After several hours of standing time, the mash is pressed and the red juice fermented. This is the method of choice for producing light, fruity red wines that are low in tannins. If our goal is to produce fuller-bodied tannic red wines with aging potential, we opt for fermentation on the skins. This is when the juice is fermented together with the grape skins. This takes place in open vats, in oak casks, or, as here in our cellars, in stainless steel tanks. During fermentation, the skins continually float upward, forming what's called a cap. This has to be broken up and punched down on a regular basis. This can be done by hand, by rotary tank, or as here in our cellars, by aeration. This is necessary to intensify the extraction of pigments and tannins. The length of extraction during fermentation on the skins ranges from 1 to about 5 weeks. Afterwards, the mash goes into the press and is pressed. After pressing, the extract-rich red wines are placed in oak casks to mature. Wines produced through fermentation on the skins are expressive and full-bodied, and they have aging potential. The demands on the grapes for fermentation on the skins are extremely high. Here we need absolutely healthy and completely ripe grapes to avoid undesirable aromas, flavors and tannins in the wine due to long skin contact.